Okay class. Today we will learn about the water cycle. Aw come on. I think we learned about that in the 10th month of the year. Cranky. You have bad grammar. You don't even know what is the 10th month of the year's name.
Oh no, not this the joke. Let's learn about the weather cycle, not the 10th months of the year.
How about let's learn about Chuck E. Cheese? No. Since you are annoying, we will learn about pointers.
Do you mean the computer version of pointers?
Yes. Now let's learn about pointers in C++. Okay, pointers is a method of pointing to the blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. And now let's learn about garbage collection in C++. Teacher, this is the most boring lesson I ever seen since you know.
Cranky. Stop talking about the 10th months of the year. That joke is dead. Plus, this episode will get many dislikes because people think we hate that month.
Do you know what's more boring than this? Garbage collection. Now guys. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Listen to me teacher, if you keep talking about memory management in C++, I will play the Sega sound in reverse. I don't care. Now the free method is blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Now class, I hope you all know all of this, cause we are having a pop quiz. Teacher, why do you expect 4th graders to know garbage collection in C++? And also, why C++? How about Python? I don't care about that language. Teacher, Mario Gaming 45753 and a billion other people uses that language. If you don't cancel this pop quiz, then it's Sega time. I don't care. Good luck. Man. Why Mr. Nungbo expect us to know pointers? That's it. It's Sega time. Okay, who played the Sega sound in reverse?
It was Cranky.
I agreed with Pro Guy, it was Cranky.
Pro Guy and Bob Jones, shut up. It wasn't Cranky.
It was deaf.
Okay, Cranky. Go home now. You are suspended. Okay, fine, loser.
Oh. Cranky. How dare you play the Sega sound in reverse? You know that distracted the whole class. That's it. You are grounded for an additional week. Go to your room.
Okay, fine, loser.